Bem-vindo! Bem-vindo! Welcome to our latest video. So, this video will mainly be about Coypus. We're in an amazing place at the moment, a nature park near Bayonne. Anyway, enjoy the Coypus and a nice little property in Normandy too.
But before that, this lovely apartment in Blonville. And look how close it is to the beach. I'll take you there. Very leisurely stroll. And here you are at a very pretty, relaxed and lovely beach. Stunning. And in the charming village of Billot in Normandy in France, we have the property. So I'm just having a little look around this village and I found this place. And apparently this plot of land has planning permission. It's about 600 to 700 square meters. And it comes with this house, which is a 4-bedroomed house, which has got fully modernised inside, looking really nice. Check out the website and get in touch with the agent if you want more information. And it has 2 garages with storage. Yeah, it's a really nice property. And it's up for sale for €165,000. So if you're interested, get in touch with the agent. Details will be in the description of this video. And look at this fabulous building. It's a pretty village with some really traditional houses in it, and even the restaurant is for sale too, we hear. So this notice board shows a fantastic picture of the village itself. You can see it's surrounded by amazing views and woodlands all around. This is on a sunnier day, it's a bit grey today. The plot of land is just around about here in the village, so right in the centre of the village. And yeah, it's got really nice little play area here that I walked through. And yeah, it's a nice village. And then it's actually got an air here. You can see the camper van there, we're just parked in the air at the moment. Yeah, nice little village on a hilltop, so it's got great views, and obviously great walks around here as well. So really, really good in the area of Saint-Pierre-en-Auge in Normandy. This would be a nice place to stay for a few days, go for a nice walk, but we haven't got time. We've got to travel onwards. Then we had to get going. We ended up on the highest sand dune in Europe, and then carried on further south. And unbeknownst to us, we came across this amazing
Bayonne
nature
in
reserve.
France, and we're at the Reserve Naturelle Marais d'Or.
Here are the Coypus. Enjoy some gratuitous Coypu action. We were excited to see our first Coypu. Here it is, on the other side of the river. And then we saw this one a bit closer, and then they were just so tame. Here's the rest of it. you want to get close up and personal with wild animals, this is the place to go. They're not bothered at all. And then there was more travel ahead as we headed through Spain on our way back to Portugal. I like this camping spot, this air that's provided by the local council here. It's a lovely little village and has this absolutely stunning church, which if you're in this area, it's a great place to stop with your camper van and definitely check out the village, which is very cute and lovely, and that amazing church, which is beautiful. Some incredible carvings. Yeah, and they make you feel really welcome. It's just on the outskirts of the village, next to the swimming pool, and then they've made this really, really professional and lovely parking spot with all of these bays, an emptying area, some picnic benches, nice views. Here we are. Hopefully it's nice weather tomorrow. So this is where we ended up. Absolutely stunning place in these mountains in Spain at this official air. So you can park here no problem. There's emptying for toilets and things if you want that. There's mountains. We didn't realise quite how high we were. We arrived quite late. But yeah, we're 3,500 feet up here, and those mountains must be much higher. How lovely. And then the village is down there. So we're going to have a cup of tea or a cup of coffee down there in the bar. So I've not seen this before, and they've piled up earth around the bottoms of the trees. I've not seen that before. If you know why they might be doing that, let us know in the comments. We're in Spain, so whether it's a Spanish tradition, I'm not sure. Great little park up area here, and there's lots of walks to do around the area. There we go. That's where this air is. And yeah, and there's even a museum as well. I think we'll be back.